Hi! In front of me is VIVO Y36, and today I would like to show you how you can manage vibration settings. Begin by opening Devices settings and scrolling down to access Sounds and Vibration. Following that, click on Vibrate for incoming calls and apply the best option for your incoming calls. Never vibrate, always vibrate, or vibrate first, then ring gradually. I will go with never vibrate. When you finished, go back, scroll down just a bit and click on the switcher next to Vibrate for notifications to enable or disable notifications haptic feedback. Lastly, scroll all the way down and click on those switchers next to Charging Sounds and Vibration, Touch Vibration, and vibrates when the other party answers or hangs up, to enable or disable them. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!